Hey, my name is Asaf. I'm a software engineer here at Mobfox, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate our awesome Mobfox SDK for Android. So it's all fully documented. As you can see behind me, all you have to do is click on the link below and you're going to go for this documentation page for integrating the SDK for Android. And let's get started. As you see, the prerequisite to use our Android SDK is the Android OS 4.4.x and later, which means KitKat and above. So first of all, verify you have the sufficient OS version configured for your application. And after you've done that, as you can see, we have two types of installations. We have the Gradle installation and we have the jar installation. We're gonna handle the Gradle installation today. So click on the Gradle installation. And as you can see, it's really easy and straightforward. All you have to do is drop in a few lines and you'll have our Android SDK. So we're gonna touch two files in this installation. We're gonna touch the build Gradle for our whole project, which contains all of our apps, and we're gonna touch on the specific app build Gradle to add our dependencies. So let's start from the build Gradle for our whole project. We're going to copy this Maven line right here. Our Mobfox SDK build is on Jetpack, so we're going to add that repository for our all project repositories. After we grab this line, we're going to go for our Android Studio project, which I already created. It's a brand new project. There's nothing on it. This is the one that you're going to get default from your Android Studio. So we're going to go first for our build Gradle for our entire project, and under all project and under repositories we're gonna drop this Maven line. So that's it for this file. We're gonna go back for our documentation, and for our build Gradle for our specific app we're gonna grab these two lines. One of them brings the Google Play library, which our Mobfox SDK uses, and the other one brings from GitHub the Android SDK library specifically. So we're going to copy these two lines and we're going to go back to our Android SDK Android Studio project, and we're going to open the build Gradle for the app itself, and we're going to paste these two lines. And that's basically it. That's it. That's all you have to do to install our Android SDK via Gradle. We're going to run the Gradle file just to make sure it compiles correctly. Executing tasks. It's running and it already finished. So as you can see, guys, really simple, really straightforward. After you've done this, you've implemented our SDK and you can start using our banners and interstitials and video. Okay guys, this is basically it. So I hope you found this video beneficial and helpful, and to see more videos like this, please subscribe for our YouTube channel. We post tutorial videos like this every week. So I hope to see you there, and until next time, thank you for listening.